urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Geauga County, Portage County, Northern Star County, Summit County, Northeastern Wayne County until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from South Russell to Doylestown and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include North Canton, Rochester, Manaway, Hartsville, Garrettsville, Louisville, Alliance. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Geauga, Portage, Stark, Summit, and Wayne.
The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity. Tonight.
Oh, doubleheader.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County and East Central Ohio, Northern Tuscarawas County and East Central Ohio until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was detected near Sugar Creek and was moving east at 35 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sugar Creek, Dover, New Philadelphia, Mineral City, Sherrodsville, Leesville Lake Park, Delroy, Carrollton, Augusta, Mechanicstown, Kilgore. The following highway will be impacted: Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile marker 77 and 87. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at @Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll and Tuscarawas.
Urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm